your pony. Okay.
The float's kind of keep him from flapping because I think he's going to pull it out.
Yeah.
Ready?
Nice. Beautiful. Okay. Come on, buddy. Here we go. Come on, right in front of me. Right here.
I wish I had the good camera where I could zoom in and get it really close.
Here he comes. Get ready now. Get ready. A little bit higher, buddy. Right there. Go get him! Quick! All right! Way to go, Parker!
Yeah, fun squad.
All right!
Have kids run out, like have one kid run out and go and catch this.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Well, let's see what we got here.
Stand on the side
We got a little
of
tangle.
go.
Yeah.
We could, I mean, if we had one of the pilots that we know, you know.
Some got tied to an end.
Yeah, not necessarily him.
That's one.
That one?
Not necessarily.